Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today I'm going to be starting the first of two signs for a company in town called Playtertainment. I think they're newer and they were looking for some signs for their office. So the first one is going to be a pretty simple one that just has a claw reaching down and grabbing a P. Then the second one is a bit more complicated, and that'll be in one of my later videos. So today we're going to start with the claw one. I'm going to go through the process of how I made it and then show you what it looks like at the end. Once the sign is designed, I start by laser cutting it out of MDF. I did make a minor mistake in the laser cutting in this process, which I'll touch on at the end of this video. Before getting to this painting stage, I started by coating all of the parts with Rust-Oleum filler primer to prep the surface for paint. For this sign there are three main colors: flat white, brilliant blue, and apple red. With the majority of my MDF signs, I typically use the offcuts as a template for placing all of my parts. Now the background layer to this sign had to actually be cut on a CNC due to its size, and all of the placement templates were laser cut. To glue everything together, I'm using the Star Bond Thick Formula CA glue just by itself, and I'm just using its normal cure time. Alright, now that you've seen the process of how I've made the sign, this is the final sign. So from top to bottom is about, I want to say 42 inches tall. I don't remember the measurement, but you can see it's three different pieces. Pretty simple to do. I did make a mistake on this area the first time around. So the first time around I didn't actually cut out the notches for the P. And I went to assemble it and couldn't do it because I didn't have that piece right. So I had to throw that one away, recut it, repaint it, and try it all again. And now it's complete. It's kind of hard to get the whole thing in the frame. I'll actually put a picture of this in the video so that you can see what it looks like a little bit better. But that's gonna do it for the first sign for Playtertainment. If you like what you saw and you want to, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, consider checking out my Instagram at Maker Experiment, where I share process photos and stories and things while I'm making the signs. I hope you enjoyed the process of me making the sign itself, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.